Hello everyone, this is Twin Flame. How's your everyday life? Today, I'm going to tell you about something you may not be very familiar with, of course, which is described in Captain Udeka's writings. Let me get started with his message, titled, The Installation of the Protective Energy Membrane on the Planet Earth. Ahead of the great shift in Earth's axis, prior to the cataclysm of the planet Earth, and before the unfolding of the new heaven and the new earth, the protective energy membrane has been installed to shield the planet Earth by the source consciousness of the Creator who has come down to the earth. On November 22nd, in 2018, the source consciousness of the Creator who has come down to the earth finally established its own system to reveal its great power of the Creator through a 9-month process. The system established by the source consciousness of the Creator who has come down to the earth is the same as the system of the paradise used for managing the grand universe, and these two systems were completely connected with each other on December 3rd in 2018. The Creator who has come down to the earth is an energy being. As an energy being, it has brought the same system as that of the paradise in order to accomplish the Earth's dimensional ascension and to build the Jamiwan, the paradise of the material world on the planet Earth. The source consciousness of the Creator who has come down to the earth has fully taken over all the systems which are essential and necessary for managing and governing the planet Earth. Before coming down to the earth, the source consciousness of the Creator dispatched numerous professional angel groups down into the Earth's atmosphere on December 12th in 2017. They are on board the Cosmic Federation spaceship, which is a heavenly organization supporting the Creator's rule of the grand universe. The angel groups in the Cosmic Federation spaceship had already come down to the Earth's atmosphere and begun their tasks before the Creator did. This Cosmic Federation spaceship was connected and integrated with the source consciousness of the Creator who has come down to the earth. On November 22nd, in 2018, the team of the Jihuang in the Cosmic Federation spaceship began to install the protective energy membrane to shield the planet Earth by the order of the source consciousness of the Creator who has come down to the earth. According to the blueprint for the Earth dimensional ascension, which continent will sink or rise was already determined. Nevertheless, the prototype or the original form of the planet Earth was to be preserved in line with the big picture and small pictures for the new heaven and the new earth. Therefore, the protective energy membrane to be installed on the planet Earth should prevent the planet from being destroyed or cracked during the construction of the new heaven and the new earth. For this purpose, the team of the Jihuang, which belongs to the 18th Dimensional Cosmic Federation spaceship, began to install large, invisible pyramids across the world on the planet Earth. Finally, the protective energy membrane, which will safeguard the planet Earth during the cataclysmic shift in Earth's axis, was completely installed on December 22nd in 2018. This article describes what has happened in the invisible world recently and also what the Creator who has come down to the earth has carried out in order to accomplish the Earth dimensional ascension and to establish the paradise of the material world on this planet. For those who have the bond with heaven by faith, holding the heaven's promise, I, Captain Udeka, am leaving this message as a record. Udeka wrote. His message was translated by Twin Flame. Thank you so much for listening. I see you next time. Bye.